Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G11 and today I will show you how we can boot this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power key and select power off. Once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up. And when you see the device boot up, as in the logo, there we go, let go of the power key but keep holding volume up. Next thing you will see is the Android with no command, so hold power key and press volume up once, and this will boot you into the recovery mode. Now this recovery mode is really limited, as you can see, so you can reboot the device, power it off, or enter fastboot mode, which you can also do, enter fastboot mode by holding power key and volume down instead of the volume up, which is a little bit faster. So anyway, now you will navigate through the options right here using volume keys, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So I want to leave this mode. I'm going to stick with the first option because of that. Confirm it with the power key, and this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.